I'm Gardenia.
Hi, I'm Awin.
And we're graduating today.
And we're both mechanical engineering majors.
Me and Awin are childhood best friends. We finished high school together.
And we joined AUIS 5 years ago together. AUIS experience was a bit different for us because we had each other throughout the whole process.
We had a lot of ups and downs and hard times.
Yeah, we had very stressful times, however, we pulled it through, we pushed each other through the experience.
AUIS has prepared us, I think, very well for the outside world, even though I don't know what it looks like just yet. However, I feel well prepared and I'm excited.
It was a very good experience. I think we were prepared to get into the career-wise world and be engineers now. And even though it's a very scary step that we're taking, we've been studying our whole lives. Now we're stop studying and start working. But I think we're well prepared to go through that process and be able to go smooth and be able to work.
For anyone wanting to join university, I highly recommend AUIS, as I personally had a really good experience, even though there were hard times and I had to study, but it's all paid off, and I would recommend it to all of you if you like the majors that they offer.
I also recommend AUIS because even though you're doing your major, at the same time we have clubs, we have activities. We both were in the basketball team, and that actually helped us through our hard time as well. We were doing sports and activities, and it was a very different experience for both of us.
So it exposed us to lots of different situations, lots of different ways to learn, and this is something that we're going to take away for the rest of our lives.